Benji, ako ka man dito.
Come. You follow me.
Yes, now. Are you ready also to know kung sino nanalo sa cultural dance competition?
Mama?
What?
Talaga naman. At nandito ba sa mga parents, thank you so much for
Can you hold this one? Can you hold this one, TJ? Thank you.
And of course, sa kanilang mga guro, ang ating mga kanilang teachers. Maraming salamat din po sa inyo for guiding our students and for bringing out the talent in them.
At syempre sa mga outside ayan, sa mga coaches, sa mga cultural dance coaches or bandmasters para naman sa drum and lyre.
And before we go to first,
Huh?
maraming salamat din na Trinidad Benguet, headed by our municipal mayor. Thank you very much for this yearly event sa ating hour.
And actually, para lang malaman din natin, this is the first ever na dito sa open field ng Megising University magaganap ang competition and parade as well.
Actually, nagaganap po.
Nagaganap. Okay. Ang Strawberry Festival.
Dahil dyan, I think
Laya.
Sir Bob Loretti is already ready sa ating results.
Ayan, at ito na ang ating drone. Yes, ready. Ayan. Paharapin ko ang drone.
Iko! Ay, may ano.
May sasakyan.
Iko! Iko!
Thank you so much. And by the way, shout out din po sa lahat ng mga nag-vote. Ay, isa pa daw, isang round. Nalapit daw po namin. So, may kumakayo ulit tayo.
Strawberry.
Hawaii! Alright. There you have it. Thank you so much, dear participants of the Strawberry Festival Drum and Lyre Competition and Cultural Dance
Bollywood there.
Thank you also to our
Come na, come.
Thank you so much.
And of course, our sponsors as well. Salamat din po.
Kami nakabala na.
I know.
Jollibee,
Pichonli ko na.
TNT,
Bahay na Depco. Natikuran na yung Diba itong tigardin niya? Uwan ni ma'am nga pa sa mga
dito sa
What is that? Oh no, do not go.
Maraming salamat din sa University President Dr. Kenneth Laruan for allowing the use of our festival para sa celebration ng Latinas Festival.
Oh, and the end. Bollywood. Ayun.
Alright, kaya naman tawagin natin. Ayaman tayo ba may pamamaon tayo yung iling tayo ng